Hello everyone, my name is Nina and today we're going to talk about introducing new vocabulary. So you have this new word or a couple of words that you want to teach your students and you want them to be able to use the word by the end of the class. Okay, so how do you do that? We're going to use the word drink as an example. So the first step is introducing or presenting the word. And you want them to get the meaning at this point. A good way to do this is by using a prop, if you can. And here it's really easy. You can just get a glass or a cup and show them. Drink. And then you can ask them to show you the same by using gestures. So ask them, can you show me drink? Very good. And if you don't have any props or you're not sure how to show the word, the meaning of the word, you can just use pictures. A picture is always a great way to introduce a new word. Okay, so at this point, your students understand the meaning of the word, and you can move on to the next step, which would be the pronunciation. So here you can first concentrate on the beginning sound of the word. And although we have the sound in this word, so for another word like dog, we would just say the dog. But here we have a cluster of consonants, so we want to concentrate on that. So we want to say drink. Okay, very good. Drink. And in this case, we only have one syllable, so it's very easy. But if you have more than one syllable, you can show them like this and do it slowly, one by one. So go amazing, amazing. And it's much easier for them to get the pronunciation this way. And again, if you're teaching Chinese students and you teach them a word like drink, something interesting might happen. And they might add an extra syllable. So they might say something like drink a, okay? So you want to show them that you need to stop at drink and not add that extra And you can do that like this. So drink, drink, okay? And once you tell them what to pay attention to, they will get the right pronunciation. Okay, so once they can pronounce the word correctly, you want to repeat it a couple of times. So you say something like this, because sometimes they don't really want to repeat. So you go like this. Now be really loud. Drink. Very good. And because you were doing it really slowly before, you can do it at a normal pace. So a little bit faster. And tell them, let's say 3 times. Drink, drink, drink. Okay, let me hear you. Drink, drink. Very good. Okay. And by this time, they should know the word. They should remember it. So you can do a couple of exercises where maybe you show them a picture and ask them, what's this? And then you don't say the word. Drink. Very good. And finally, it's time for them to use the word. So first you can ask them something like this. What can you drink? Milk, very good. You can drink milk. What else can you drink? You can drink water, very good. Juice. And then you can ask them something silly. Can you drink cookies? Yes, no? No, very good. You cannot drink cookies. Okay. And then you're probably going to use it in a sentence like this. I drink milk every day. And then ask them to repeat after you. I drink milk every day. Very good. So it's really important for your students to be able to make their own sentences. So once you introduce the patterns for making sentences and maybe making questions and negative sentences, you want to give them some exercises where they can make their own sentences. And this is a great way to check if they understand both the grammar and the new vocabulary you introduced. Okay, so once they can use the word, it means that they understand it really well. Sometimes you have more than one word though, and maybe you don't have time to do all of these steps or do them exactly like this, but make sure that they can pronounce the word, that they understand the meaning, and that they can use it by the end of the class. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching the video and see you next time. Bye!